続きまして、アメリカ原子力学会副会長、次期会長、ジェームズ・テュレンコ様、お願いいたします。
Greetings. It is a pleasure to be here taking part in this historic meeting. Today, representing the American Nuclear Society, I have earlier this morning dedicated the Fugan Advanced Thermal Reactor as an American Nuclear Society historical nuclear site. This was done for the historic role Fugan played in the development of plutonium recycle and the Japanese nuclear technology. Tomorrow, I will address how the Manju reactor can play a similar role in development of fast reactor fuel for the Gen 4 reactors. Other speakers will also address how the Manju reactor can play an important role in the future development of nuclear power. Hopefully, someday in the future, we will dedicate the Manju reactor as a historic nuclear site. Finally, I would like to take the time to say a few words about the American Nuclear Society since we are celebrating our 50th anniversary this year. Next slide. We were the first nuclear society founded shortly after President Eisenhower's famous Atoms for Peace talk. We were founded in December 1959, National Academy of Sciences in D.C. The next line is very important. We were founded as a nonprofit international, and I stress the word international. We have an international outlook. We have directors on our board representing Asia, Europe, and the Americas, in addition to our U.S. directors. We try to integrate all the disciplines of nuclear science and technology. Next slide. We have 11,000 members. 800 of them are outside the United States. I've been fortunate today to meet several of our ANS members who came up and introduced themselves to me. We have 47 countries represented in our membership. Our younger group has been increasing, and this is very important that we are staging, like the nuclear industry, a comeback. Next slide. Our goals are to be the recognized international leader for the advancement of nuclear science and technology. We want to be publicly recognized as a credible source of nuclear science and technology information, and we want our society and our members to be active contributors to and participants in nuclear science and technology issues. Finally, next slide, this is our golden anniversary, 1954 to 2004. The bottom line is the ANS is growing after years of decline, and I can say the same thing about the U.S. nuclear industry. We are seeing a renaissance in the U.S. nuclear industry, and I would like to close with my final slide that shows a picture taken by our astronauts along with a picture of where the nuclear reactors are in the United States. You can see there is a strong correlation between where there is heavy energy demand and where our nuclear reactors are placed. I hope in the future we will fill in many of the blank spaces, particularly in China with nuclear reactors, and that there will be light there and not smoke. Thank you very much.
誠にありがとうございました。